My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the website Eryarriedstro.xyz. Eryarriedstro.xyz is a new deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them actually forced to download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Eryarriedstro.xyz, do not ever install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Don't interact with them. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into downloading and installing unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. Do not trust these deceptive pop-ups. We recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and begin carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.